Here at Sony, we are exploring various solutions using 5G to deliver not just reality and real time, but also for remote solutions in different fields. Today, we are unveiling a new addition to our flagship range, Xperia 5 Mark II. Here it is, Xperia 5 Mark II is built for speed, made compact in 5G. This new model inherits many of Xperia 1 Mark II features in a compact body for more people. Whether you are simply immersing yourself in a world of entertainment or creating a masterpiece, Xperia 5 Mark II is a powerful companion with its 21:9 cinema-wide 6.1-inch HDR OLED display equipped with triple lens camera. And of course, it's water resistant. Yosuke from Product Planning is here to share the exciting features from Sony Square, our showroom in Sony headquarters.
Hi, I'm excited to be here to talk more about Xperia 5 Mark II, which our engineers and my team have developed. As many of you know, our latest flagship Xperia 1 Mark II has been highly praised for its camera technology. It's a premium camera beyond smartphone. Inheriting many of Xperia 1 Mark II's features, Xperia 5 Mark II delivers compelling creative entertainment experiences to even more users than ever. Xperia 5 Mark II is equipped with a powerful camera that's built for speed, incorporating Sony's award-winning alpha technology. Only Sony can realize this level of speed in a smartphone. This triple-lens camera is equipped with versatile focal lengths as well as outstanding twice optics to unleash your creativity in your daily moments. You can capture any scene in perfect focus with superb detail and rich color. Xperia 5 Mark II's camera can shoot 20 frames per second with continuous autofocus and auto exposure, with calculation of up to 60 times per second. Now, that's at the level of our flagship full-frame mirrorless camera, bringing Sony's award-winning alpha technology to Xperia. It enables you to capture stunning portraits of both people and animals in perfect focus, usually one of the most difficult subjects as they move unpredictably fast, leaving you with blurred memories. But we have successfully tackled this with our award-winning real-time IAF. Only Xperia offers autofocus at the level of an eye in a smartphone. If you are a photography lover, you will appreciate Photography Pro, inspired by Alpha offering automatic settings and manual control with low output. All of this is realized with the unique combination of our lens, image sensor, and processor, which also contributes to less noise in low light capturing. For cinematographers, Cinematography Pro will enable 21:9 movie recording with enhanced controls and clearer audio recording for professional-grade shooting. And there's more. I'm happy to share with you that Xperia 5 Mark II offers the world-first 4K HDR in 120 FPS for cinematic slow-motion recording in a smartphone.
The features in Cinema Pro mode give me more options in how I tell my story and how I bring an audience on an emotional journey. That I can shoot 4K HDR in 24p and also up to a high frame rate of 120p allows me to really linger on a shot, enhance its emotion, and influence what I want the audience to feel. Let's take a look at what this feels like.
You can also enjoy an immersive viewing and listening experience with Sony's audio-visual technology. 21:9 cinema-wide 6.1-inch HDR OLED with notchless display is well received by our fans. Our creator mode offers best-in-class smartphone viewing experience, providing a much wider color and richer tonal gradation. Furthermore, it's newly equipped with 120Hz refresh rate, bringing you a smooth viewing experience, even in fast-moving scenes by reducing the in-between frame lag for clearer image quality. For online content viewers, you can enjoy content in more colorful and in higher dynamic range with HDR remaster. For cinephiles, Creator Mode enables you to watch movies or videos exactly the way creators envision. And of course, Dolby Atmos is tuned in collaboration with Sony Pictures Entertainment for multi-dimensional sound, flowing above and around you for immersive viewing. And our true front stereo speakers will add all the excitement with surround sound. Audio is Sony's DNA, and we are passionate about delivering the best audio experience. Xperia 5 Mark II supports the DSEE Ultimate and our latest technology 360 Reality Audio for a truly immersive audio experience. And of course, it comes equipped with 3.5mm audio jack for clearer left and right audio channels. With our long-standing history and success of PlayStation, gaming is an important identity for Sony. With Xperia, we are committed to mobile gaming. Mobile gaming is a competition, so it's important that we get things right. We want you to play to win with our unique 21:9 mobile gaming experience in full screen notchless. This time, we have teamed up with a professional mobile gaming team, Scars, to bolster the basic performance with Xperia's unique game enhancer features. It's finely tuned after numerous trials with Scars. You will be excited by the smooth gaming experience, even in fast-moving games. Our new 120Hz HDR OLED display will render clearly for smooth gameplay. With up to 240Hz equivalent refresh rate, Xperia 5 Mark II will let you see clear images even in fast-moving action scenes. So what about the gameplay? Well, you can make smooth moves thanks to the 240Hz touch scanning rate, tracing your fast-moving fingers. You'll be amazed with the fast and accurate touchscreen response with reduced latency, making the gaming experience seamless, enabling you to control to win. You can control your gameplay as intended. And don't forget, only Xperia's HS Power Control lets you focus on your gameplay by limiting performance reduction and by limiting battery degradation, both caused by device overheating during charging. With the latest Qualcomm's Elite Gaming, Xperia 5 Mark II is clearly a powerful tool for mobile gaming. Xperia 5 Mark II is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 mobile platform with 5G connectivity with best-in-class quality. The 4,000 mAh battery comes with fast charging and AI-powered battery care. It adapts to your personal routine with battery technologies to improve the lifespan and keep the battery healthier for longer. The battery is resistant to degradation even after 2 years. That's all for the new features. Now back to Kishida-san for availability information.
Thank you, Yosuke. All this great technology is packed in a beautiful and compact body that will be available in a choice of 4 beautiful colors. Best of all, we will start shipping from this month onward, and we are excited for you to try our new Xperia 5 Mark II. Thank you for joining us today. We are thrilled to deliver these exciting products to you.